Right, so here's a list, right? You can scroll it, and if I click on any particular one, it gives me the name of what's in the list. Okay, so how did I do that? All right. Well, first of all, if you go into the activity main, I actually put a list view into the whole screen. Now, where did I get a list view? I went into legacy and I grabbed list view and I just dragged it over and then I pinned it to the sides. Now, normally you would be using recycler view, but we leave that maybe to the third app. So for now, we're just going to use this list view. Right, so now we've got it in and I've given it an ID of list view. We go to the Java, the main activity. Okay, so in here, I declare my list view and I also declare an array list called dog breeds. Now, here's the standard stuff that's generated. So now I find my list view just like I declared it up here. I initialized it, right? I'm also populating my array list of dog breeds. So that's just populating all that with all that text. Now, the next step you need to do when you're working with lists is create an array adapter, right? So we're going to use the standard built-in one at the moment. So that's what's going on here, okay? And we have a built-in XML layout file here. So if you're using the SimpleList, you just use this array adapter and make sure to pass your array list, called in my case dog breeds, to that parameter there. So it takes three parameters: the context, the layout file, and the array list. Now, once you've done all of that, you have to wire it together by giving the list view the adapter. All right, so that's that line there. Okay, so finally then I put an on click on the list view that should toast me the name of the item I've selected. So if you go back here, if I click on German Shepherd, it creates German Shepherd. If I create Husky, it creates Husky. Okay, so in a nutshell, you create your list view, you create your array list. You initialize your list view, you initialize your array list. You create your array adapter, given your dog breeds or whatever you called your array list into that adapter. Then finally, you assign, we'll say, the adapter to the list view. And then when it's all wired up, you can have an on-click listener that will do anything you like. All right. So that's how you do a simple list.